Okay, guys. So in order to complete this activity, what I want you to do is you are first going to read this text 2 different times. After you have read the text 2 different times, you can complete this activity. What you're going to do is you're going to look for clues from the story to figure out what these words mean. Then over here, you're going to write what you think the word means. So I'm going to help you out with the first one, and then you're going to do the other two on your own. So for the first one, it says the first word is rural. So I'm going to look in the text for clues from the story. So right here it says there are more buildings and less open land than in a rural community. So it's telling me that there are more buildings and less open land than a rural community. So urban must have a lot of buildings and less open land. Then it also tells me that a rural community includes houses, have backyards. Okay, so these are my clues. So I'm going to type right here and I'm going to say more buildings and less open land. So I'm going to say urban communities have more buildings and less open land. I'll make this text a little smaller. And less open land than rural communities. And then also the part I underlined in the text, it has houses and backyards. Okay, so those are my clues from the story of what this word means. Now over here, I'm going to type what I think the word means. So if this community, they really don't have a lot of buildings and it has a lot of open land, they have houses and backyards. So what I think this word means, it means a less populated area. So it's an area that has less people, less buildings, less traffic, and all those different things. Okay, so now it is your job to figure out what these two words mean. You're going to type the clues from your story and then what you think the word means. When you are done with this, you can click right here for the answer key to check over your work. Don't peek until you're done. All right.